In this video, we're gonna talk about why you should build a free community. I strongly suggest you to do that, even if you start first with a paid one. Later on, when you start making money with your paid one, you can go back and also create a free community on Skool. But if you don't want to pay for a Skool, right, free community that's gonna be free for people, right, you can use a Facebook group, right? But it would be so much better if you just move it all to Skool and you can have more control over it and you cannot really lose it because Facebook can take you down. And if you have a free community on a Skool that's more focused for your members, people will just love to participate in this forum much more, and you can have your course as well here, right? Let's now talk about why you should actually have a free community, right? And like I said, if you're gonna build just the paid one first, you should build later on a free one as well, because it's so much easier to get people over, right, into your paid membership if they can be also part of your free community first. And that's one of the that's the benefit that I'll mention as well right now. But look, people who come from social media into some kind of private space, for example your free community, are at least a little interested in your value. So if they actually join, they are communicating to you that they came in because they want a transformation, right? If they are just your social media follower, you don't really know how interested they really are until they signal some stuff to you, right? So people who are coming over can then hang out in this one place and they can be coached by you for free, and they can participate in the community forum. People love those forums, and that's how now you are building that trust connection with people who are part of your free community now, right? Now, another thing is that it's quite easy to move people into a free community, right? So if you are struggling with content lead generation and content attraction and content sales, on social media, you're gonna simply say, hey guys, I have opened this free community support group where we all hang out and we want to achieve this kind of outcome. Who wants the details? Who wants to come in? Comment invite. And people will say invite, or they're gonna, click the link or whatever, and they're gonna come over. I am running my YouTube channel now, and I have a call to action there. Hey, I'm running this free community, and everyone is coming from my YouTube videos now into my free community, right? I will show you in my other mini modules courses as well how you can build a YouTube channel, do the keyword research, and send people over to here, right, to the free community, right? Now, those are some small benefits, right? People love to be part of, you are coaching them for free, creating that connection. It's easy to move people over. But now here is where also the magic happens, right? Your free community now is a system for people to become your paid members, right? Because imagine like they come in and your free community asks them now 3 questions while they're registering, right? Because for example, let me go to the doors of my free community, right? I can click here, join group, and my group asks me 3 questions here, right? What email should I send this community instructions to? So people give me their email, right? What this does is I build an email list now. And building an email list out of your free community is an awesome thing, because then you can be sending email newsletters out to people. And by the way, you can also automate that when a free member came in, a campaign, a sequence of emails is fired up, and through the next few days the email sequence is gonna nurture them, and at the end of that sequence you can have a call to action to get people into your paid membership, right, for example, right? And then the second question asks people what's that biggest challenge that they're experiencing about them trying to achieve this outcome that they want to achieve, right? For example, and if they answer, right, this allows you to then connect with them and talk with them about that, right? The third question asks them, would you like to know more about our weekly support group calls? We are asking people if they would want to know more about the support calls which are part of your membership, right? It's like it's a question that they don't know that they will need to pay for those, but if we know that they're interested, then we're gonna at least be able to talk with them and provide them more info about those calls and so on, and we can talk with them then if they want to get into our membership, right? So You see, that's the benefit of having a free community. It provides people an option to signal to you that they are interested, right? And as I already said at the beginning, you will be nurturing your free community a lot and coaching people for free. It's gonna create connection, trust, and you're gonna be an authority in their eyes because you just know how to have whatever they wanna have, that outcome that they want to have, right? And they're gonna be able to study your free course, and they're gonna have more questions. That drives conversations then, because they're gonna ask those questions, or maybe they're gonna come to a workshop and because they studied your course, and you're gonna be able to then move them forward, right? Also, you're gonna be creating content in your free community, and people will be able to be nurtured by that, right? There will be a community forum where everyone can engage, right? And they can ask questions, get free help from you. So this all is creating that connection, right? At the end of the day, your goal is that you get people into a paid membership. And if you are going to be nurturing your community very well and provide people with an opportunity that they can take action to become part of your membership program, some of them are gonna take that opportunity, right? As I already mentioned before, you could have your free community in a Facebook group, right? Or you could have it on Skool. I would actually have both, to be honest. I already have Facebook group, but I have a Skool as well, and I am very much focused that Skool is my primary thing through which I run everything. But I still use a Facebook group because I can be inviting my Facebook friends somehow to join my Facebook group as well. There is that kind of invite button where you can be inviting your Facebook friends to your free Facebook group. So that's a mini benefit of that, right? But I'm moving everyone from my Facebook group then into the Skool community, because I tell them that we are hanging out, we are more engaged here, it's more private for us, right? So I just told you that because you need to know that. That's just a side note, right? Look, these methods that I'm going to share with you right now work for both, right? If your free community is on Facebook or if it's on Skool, it's going to be very similar, right? But I still, like I said, suggest you that you do it on Skool just because of those reasons that I mentioned before, right? Now, there are a few ways of how you're going to grow your free community. The first one is that you're going to be creating content on social media. For example, you have your Facebook profile, you have an Instagram channel, you have a YouTube channel, and you have LinkedIn or wherever you are building your audience. You're gonna simply say in call to actions of, for example, your YouTube videos, or you can just create this kind of two-step posts for Facebook or Instagram stories or Reels, right? You can sound like this. Hey guys, I have this private free Skool community that I just opened. It's on Skool. Comment invite and I'll get you in for free. We hang out there and we work together on achieving that outcome of yours. You're gonna say that, right? And comment invite and I'm gonna send you an invitation, right? This works for both, for building a Facebook group or even building a Skool, right? So that's how you're gonna create content out there. I have a complete separate module on how to create content pieces. You're gonna study that later. Right now I'm just teaching you these methods because I'm gonna be always pulling you back to these methods when we're gonna be creating content, right? That's one way, right? Posting content and getting people to comment or click the link and immediately join your Skool community. Now, another strategy to get people into a free community is that we offer to people some kind of a lead magnet, a video or PDF, right? On social media. We sound like, hey, I have this video or I have this PDF or I have this guide, for example, on Instagram Reels, right? I created this guide, comment video or comment guide down below, and I will send you that material, right? And you can deliver to them this material now in two ways. You can either send them to the landing page that looks like this, and they will need to opt in first to receive access to the video, and after they will access the video through this page, and here they can now watch my video, but down below I also get them to join our community, and then they can click here and then they land in my free community. So that's one way to deliver to them that lead magnet then, right? And the other way would be, if you don't have this kind of landing page in place, you could simply say to them that the video is in your free Facebook group or your free school community and that they need to join to come in, right? You would DM them and give them the link to your community. They would come in and the video would be then there, right? And when they come in, they also give you their email, right? So that's another way, giving away a lead magnet video or PDF, right? There are a few ways to go about all of this. You will slowly start building these systems for yourself. Now, I find another method very nicely working for me, where I put in my bio links on my Instagram, my YouTube, my LinkedIn, my Facebook, right? I gave people a link where they can join my free school community. So people discover my YouTube channel, they go across my Instagram profile because they watched some reels or they discovered me or they're following me, right? And I am inviting them to click my bio link, right? And if they click my bio link, here I have actually a custom kind of bio link. It's not direct school link because I'm using I created a mini sub landing page, right, on my website that is a little sum of description and they can kind of join in, right? But I could just give them a link of my school community straight away. So that's why you don't see here school.com, but it's my website.com, right? So, but anyway, you can just put your Facebook group or school community link in the bio and people will click on your bio, right? You're gonna be posting content and telling people, hey, if you want to be part of my community, find the link in the bio and get over it, right? Get over there. So that's another way. You should be sending people from your bio into your free community. This is also called Facebook, for example, profile funnel or Instagram profile funnel, right? Because on Facebook, for example, you can go hang out in other groups, right? And I might just show you this quickly. For example, if I hang out on Facebook in other groups, people see and check my profile and there is this link to go to my free community first of all, and down below here I have pinned a post where talks about my free community, right? And people need to comment invite to get an invite to come in, for example, right? So that's the profile funnel. That's all related to this bio link, right? Because and so on. So I just covered this as well, going into other Facebook groups, making connections. You can go into other groups, post content, make connections, make friends, and people will come through your profile then into your free community on their own, or you can chat with them and invite them manually or so on. That's a manual networking strategy. I teach this in my other bonus mini course, right? You can find it here on Skool. Another strategy to get people into your free community is creating YouTube videos and using keywords in those videos that people search on YouTube and on Google, right? I know how to do a research of keywords that people are looking for. I can spend 10-15 minutes right now and I could research your niche, right? I am just about to create a video tutorial on that. It's gonna be created soon. So if you want this strategy to work for you, find the video tutorial if it's already here in the course library, right? But what I do is I research the keywords and I record videos on those keywords. I teach the stuff, right? And I insert them in the description of my YouTube video and in the title, right? And when people search for those, my videos appear in front of them on YouTube, and then they watch my videos, and at the end of the video, I give them a call to action, or even in between. I am also having this free school community where we hang out and we learn how to do this and that. Click the link down below, come over. So YouTube is now sending me passive traffic into my school community. Okay, there are another two methods here that I have noted down. For example, running your own podcast, and you can kind of leverage other people's audiences if you are running your own podcast or if you're going on other podcasts, and that's where you could talk about your free community, and you could link it down below under your episodes, right? In the description as well, or you could promote it on those podcasts and that would drive traffic over to you. Or even if people would just follow you out of other podcasts, right? They're gonna later see your content and they will come into your free community, and you're gonna build an email list and all these kind of things. The last thing that I wanted to maybe mention here is that you could do partnerships and collaborations with other, coaches who have similar audience as you have, right? So you could create a workshop, webinar that you guys could do together, or you could post in their Facebook groups or so, right? You could partner up with someone who's already has the audience same as you, right? And you could leverage those audiences, and when they register for your workshop, they also need to join your free community, right? Or so, right? That is the whole strategy to go about it. I have started doing this right now myself. I partnered up with someone who's got bigger audience as well, right? And we're gonna be running workshops together and all these kind of things, right? So that's an advanced strategy. I'll be teaching that probably in the workshop module that I'm gonna work on creating soon. If you're enjoying this course here on my YouTube channel, and if you would like to be part of my or our private free community, you can find the link down below and you can join to my Skool Community, where you can keep going through this course and you can be part of the community who is going through this course, and you can ask me questions in there and we can hang out. And another thing, if you ever want to use a Skool app to build your own community membership through it, I have an affiliate link through which you can use, and I can be paid from you using Skool. And if you're gonna ever use my affiliate link, I'm gonna coach you for free. We will make sure that when you are creating an account to start your Skool Community, you will want to make sure that you can see my face up here. Don't start your Skool Community without having any kind of referral that you are going through in here. You would want to see me, and if you're gonna subscribe through me in here, you can be part of my special support group of people who I guide through this experience, because I really want to help you. If you go into the Skool through me, I will want to make sure that you succeed so you can stay on Skool, you can get your membership to 10, 15, 20, 30 people, and you are making all of this money back. So find the affiliate link down below and I will see if you used it. And also, when you get into my free community and if you used my affiliate link, make sure that you DM me so we can make that connection and I can start meeting with you as my affiliate partner as well, and so on.